Okay, guys, number 12 says determine if the lines whose equations are given are parallel. Well, look at that. Jing's not sure what just happened. If this happens again, you probably should contact http://support.techsmith.com. Be sure to tell them you were trying to upload to YouTube. Okay. I don't know what that means. All right, we'll figure that out later. Okay. Okay, there we go. Hey guys, how do I know if two lines are parallel? How do I know if they're parallel? Jordan?
They have the same slope.
They have the same slope. So what I want to do is change both of these lines into slope-intercept form so I can see their slope. Then I'm just going to compare. If they have the same slope, they're parallel. If they don't have the same slope, then they're not parallel. So I'm going to take this first equation, right? I'll write it a little larger. 1/2 x plus 1/2 y is equal to 5. You know what, guys? The first thing I'm going to do is multiply both sides by 2 just to get rid of these fractions. Does that make sense? So that's going to cancel. All right, so I'm just going to get x plus y must equal 10. Then I'm going to subtract x from both sides. And I'm going to get y is equal to 1 over 1x plus, negative 1 over 1x plus 10. Right? Now, let's look at this other one. It says that 2x plus 2y is equal to 3. I need to subtract 2x from both sides. So I'm going to get 2y is equal to negative 2x plus 3. And then I'm going to divide everything by 2. I'm putting them in function form or slope-intercept form. They're the same thing. And I get negative 1 over 1x plus 3 over 2. Okay? Now, are these two lines parallel, Max? They are parallel because the slope for the blue line is negative 1 over 1 and the slope for the red line is also negative 1 over 1. Since they have the same slope, they've got to be parallel. Right, Jack? Mm-hmm. Good. Any questions on that one, guys? If we want to know if lines are parallel, we need to put them in slope-intercept form so we can see their slope. Okay? All right. Great job, guys. Let's look at the next one.